Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Fast Decor. If you are new here, do not forget hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you never miss the latest content on home decor designs ideas. Today we are driving into this something super excited modern table designs ideas, whether you are reclaiming your dining area, living room or office space, or a stylish table can be a game changer. So let's get started. First up, minimalistic designs. These tables are all about the clear lines and simplicity. Think stick, wooden top, metallic frame, and a focus of functionality. They are perfect if you are love the culture free modern aesthetic. A simple table can make a bold statement in any room. Next up, we have a individual chic. This style is not about raw material like and rugged finishing. Imagine a table with the destroyed wood top pair with the stunning metal legs. If you are looking to add a touch of elegance, glass tables are for you go. There are visuality making them suitable for a both dining and living area. A glass top can make a space free and more open and airy. Pair it with metallic or wooden legs for the stylish content. Now let's talk about the multifunctional tables. In today's home space is often a premium. These tables offer more than just a surface. It comes with built-in storage. In can be converted into different shapes or even a serving multiple purpose. Perfect for a small apartment or any who love smart designs. For those who loves to make a statement, bold and colorful tables are the fantastic options. Whether it's a bring bright color, can unusual shapes or a striking designs, these tables can be focal point of any room. You reflect your personality and easily can be converted startup. And there we have it, flocks, some of the coolest modern table designs to inspire your next home makeover. Which style is your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And if you enjoy this video, like give it a thumbs up and share it here with your friends and family members. And do not forget to subscribe our channel for more home decor, interiors, designs, tips, and styles. Thanks for joining us today. We will see you in next time and keep decorating and keep designing to your room. Feel free adjust tones and personal touch audible, including the more detailing designs, tips and ideas. We will see you in next time in next video. Keep decorating and styling your dream houses with these interesting decor items. Thanks and have a nice day.